Here we go. Racers ready. Marshall's ready. Everybody's going to go on the tone here in less than 5. It's going to be Tyler Hooks leading them off here in A-main number 2. Track is considerably faster than it was in A1. One, two, and 3. Oh, man, Tyler's going to snag the pipe roll upside down. Bicycling through the corner was Kenny Setzer, new race leader. It's going to be Hunter King out in front. That all-yellow buggy with the race lead. Trying to up here on Kenny Setzer's into 2. Tyler Hooks working to number 3. Spallone into 4. Kyle Paquette into 5. Curry Butts into 6. Just over 4 minutes left to go. Battle hot and heavy right now for that 3, 4, and 5 as Hooks loses a couple of more positions here. Spallone and Paquette picking up a couple.
4 minutes left.
1 minute down, 4 minutes left to go. Hunter King right now 2.4 seconds up on Kenny Setzer. Here comes King through the tabletop right here in front of the driver's stand. Race number 18 coming up next. We'll take a break after 23. Break after 23, guys. Two minutes down, 3 minutes left to go. Hunter King, Kenny Setzer, last time by the line, only separated by 1.6 seconds. Kenny began, Kenny going to snag a pipe roll upside down just as he was beginning to get his legs under him here and make a move towards the front of the field. Going to give up some time here. Down across that start-finish line now, 5 seconds back in the race lead. Dustin Spallone now within 1.7 seconds of the number 2. Kenny rolls upside down. Spallone bicycling through the off-camera, feeling the pressure, though, from Tyler Hooks. 2, 3, and 4, very close together, up to the top left-hand side of the track. Here they come down the hill. Man, Tyler Hooks all over the back bumper here. Spallone washes out on the lander. Tyler Hooks now moves up into that number 2 spot. Kenny Setzer into number 3, Dustin Spallone into 4. As they come into the interior section of the track, right here in front of the driver's stand, that all-white car running in a 2 spot. Hunter King in the bright yellow with the race lead well out in front, but the battle is hot and heavy for the 2. 3 minutes down, 2 minutes left to go. Oh, man, traction roll in the corner there for Kenny. Going to lose a couple of positions. Kenny having a rough lap here, having to be marshaled twice here in 1 lap. Going to lose a couple of spots. That's going to put Tyler Hooks and Dustin Spallone now 2 and 3. Kyle Paquette to the 4. Kenny Setzer into 5. Kermit Butts in at number 6. 3:30 down, 1:30 left to go. Hunter King coming across the line with the race lead. Car looking pretty dialed in here. That TLR strong right now out in front. Four minute down, 1 minute left to go.
1 minute left.
Hooks right now 6 seconds back of Hunter King for that top spot. Here he comes down the front straightaway, coming across start finish line. Hunter King,
45 seconds
up on
left.
the field. Race number 18 up next.
$30 seconds left.
And you see, guys, only got 6 racers in this one. I need 2 volunteer marshals, please. 2 volunteers. Faster you come out to volunteer marshal, the faster we get to go home. Race number 18, 4-wheel drive Indy Buggy coming up next. Hunter King out in front, 7.5 seconds up on the field. Dustin Spallone, Copycat, Kenny Setzer, 3, 4,
Tyler
5
Hook's
beginning
done.
to battle it out. And they're going to be racing it back to the line as Tyler Hooks takes home the number 2 spot. Here they come to the line.
Dustin Spallone done.
will hold on for that
Kyle
number
Paquette
3.
done.
Copycat going to finish
Kenny
on 4.
Setzer done.
Kenny Setzer into 5. Waiting on Hunter King out there on the victory lap. 2. All right, race number 17 in the books. Waiting on Kermit Butts. Waiting on Kermit. He pulled off. Racers ready. Marshall's ready. Everybody's going to roll on the tone here in less than 5. Two-wheel drive modified buggy. Main number 3 underway. Tyler Hooks, Hunter King, really going to be doing battle here. Kenny Setzer going to look to be the spoiler in this one. Here comes Tyler Hooks onto the front straightaway, leading lap number 1. Race number 27 on the track. Race number 28 going to be coming up next. Race number 30, or race number 2, you'll be running at the end of the program. Race 2, gas truck. That'll be a 15-minute nitro truck main. And then we will do our podium picks for our top 5 NTQs. After. Tyler Hooks, Kenny Setzer right now running 1 and 2. They were separated by 2.2 seconds last time by the line. Here comes Hooks. Working to double in front of the driver, stand around the hairpin, 180 at the top left-hand side of the track. Coming down the hill. Now back up across that start-finish line he goes through the sweeper.
4 minutes left.
Tyler Hooks looking for the win here in two-wheel drive mod. $120 down, $320 left to go. $120 down, $320 remaining. Tyler Hooks right now flying out there. Kenny Setzer trying to run him down. Kenny Setzer has turned the fastest lap of the race so far at an 18.3. A lot of speed in the track right now. Is that sugar doing its work, giving that traction where it's needed the most? No close battles to call right now, except for Dustin Spallone, Hunter King.
3 minutes left.
Last time by the line, they were separated by 1.5 seconds. Now that gap grows to 1.9 seconds. As your race leader coming across that start-finish line, just over 2.5 minutes left to go. Race 28 up next. Setzer with a little bit of a bobble here. That's going to allow Dustin Spallone to close the gap. Dustin right now running about 2 seconds back of Kenny. And you're at now at the halfway mark. 2:30 down, 2:30 left to go.
Two minutes left.
Got a really long lap here for Kermit Butts. Looks like he may have popped off something. I've seen a repair on him. Out on the track, Tyler Hooks right now with an 8-second lead up on Kenny Setzer. Setzer right now 4.6 seconds up on Hunter King. King right now 3 seconds up on Dustin Spallone. Copycat running 6 seconds back into 4. With 1:30 left to go. Two-wheel drive mod Buggy currently out on the track. Race number 28 Indy 4-wheel drive up next. No close battles to call right
1
now.
minute left.
Tyler Hooks dominating here in A3. Looking to take the title overall with less than a minute to go. There's your race leader coming across the line. 9.5 seconds up on the field. Go, Tyler. You can do it.
45 seconds left.
Hey, Tyler Hook's
30
been
seconds
in
left.
Florida now for about a year. Or almost a year. We got to find this guy a girlfriend. Somebody other than Kenny and Nolan.
15 seconds left.
12 seconds left to go. All right, guys, we're going to be crossing the line. Tyler Hood's going to take the win here. Name
Dustin,
number
Spallone
3 as he takes the title overall. Oh, you almost made it.
Kermit Butts done.
Excuse me, I have to take pictures. Get out of my way. I gotta wear a chassis protector.
See you, man. Hope to see you next time.
Yeah. You out here? Good job, brother.
Hey, good to see you, man. Good to meet you.
Call, forget. Call.
No, I can't. I gotta take pictures.
Okay, guys.
Kyle, you taking too long.
Here you go.
Why don't you just
Come on, Cam.
pack the truck later, Kyle? Can't believe how hot the sun feels.
Yeah.
It's really brutal. I wish I had that shirt.
Okay, guys, here we go.